Hi, kindergartners. I had so much fun playing with cars last time that I wanted to play some more. And today we are going to close in that vowel and see what happens. All right, this is the word we left off with, B-E-B. There is no consonant following our vowel, so that E is going to say its name. E-E-E. E-E-E, B. But I have a new car to bring into the mix, and I am going to close off that vowel so it can't say its name anymore. It's going to have to say the short vowel sound instead, and it's going to say eh, eh, eh. B. Et, b, et, bet, bet. Oh my goodness. So, let's back this up. Uh-oh, open syllable. It's going to say its name again. It's going to say E. B. Bet. That closes in that syllable. Let's read this. When a syllable has one vowel followed by a consonant or more than one consonant, that vowel makes its short sound. So now it says eh, bet. B, bet. Let's see if that works with a different onset. Remember, the onset is the beginning, and the rhyme is the ending. We have a beginning, a middle, and an ending sound. This is the et word family that we're working with, and we're going to put in a different onset. W, et, wet, wet. It worked. Okay, let's take this away. Let's open that syllable up. Open up. We, wet. We, open syllable, wet, closed syllable. I want to try it with one more. Let's take away that W. We did bet. We did wet. Remember our sight word we with an open syllable, no consonant closing it in. Let's close it in. Me turns into met, because it has a short vowel when we close that syllable. Consonants close the door, and the vowel cannot say its name. It cannot say E, it says eh. So we use the short vowel sound. Me, met. Me, met. I have had so much fun playing with cars. I think I'm going to do this again sometime. Maybe we'll make some more words soon. Thanks for joining me.